Hi everyone, this is Jake, Kilo Oscar 4 Tango Joy Papa. Today I'm going to be showing how to make contact on a citizen band radio. Now this is the mid-range 75-785 citizen band radio with a matching microphone. So let's see here, I'm going to turn it to frequency 19. Well, not frequency, channel 19, which is, according to my chart, 27.185 megahertz. So, here we go. Breaker 19, Breaker 19. This is the monarch of boundless suffering. Anyone out there? Over. And let's see if anybody responds. Turn down the scroll. Doesn't seem like anyone's on here, but that is how you would do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at KO4TJP. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.